Congratulations, Booking Boss! You've just crushed 6 lessons of WooCommerce accommodation wizardry. Give yourself a round of applause, or at least a silent fist pump. Let's recap your new superpowers. You tamed check-in/out chaos like a time management ninja, built booking products so slick, guests practically booked themselves, mastered availability, pricing, and room control. Remember when managing bookings felt like juggling flaming coconuts? Now, you've got a system that works while you sip margaritas. Or, tackle your next big project before this course panic. Endless sticky notes. Why is checkout at 2 a.m.? After this course, you're the calm, cool guru automating bookings and boosting guest trust. So what's next? Launch that site, tweak those settings, and watch those bookings roll in. And if you ever feel stuck, revisit these lessons. They're like a Swiss Army knife for your booking biz. You've got this. Thanks for rocking the course. Now go flex those skills and maybe rename yourself the Accommodation MVP. Catch you in the next tutorial.